Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your two-factor authentication code on crypto. COM. This easy method helps secure your account with an extra layer of protection. You'll typically use a separate authenticator application, such as Google Authenticator or Authy, which generates a unique, time-sensitive code. This process is crucial for safeguarding your digital assets and ensuring only you can access your account. Let's dive into the simple steps to retrieve your code. First, open the Authenticator application you linked with your crypto.com account. This could be Google Authenticator, Authy, or another similar app. Once opened, you'll see a list of accounts, and one of them will be for crypto.com. The application continuously generates a new 6-digit code, typically refreshing every 30 or 60 seconds. It's important to use the current code before it expires to successfully log in. Next, locate the specific 6-digit code associated with your crypto.com account within your Authenticator app. Once you see it, simply tap or long press on the code to copy it to your device's clipboard. Remember, these codes are time-sensitive, usually valid for only 30 to 60 seconds. You'll need to be reasonably quick to paste it into the crypto.com login screen before a new code is generated. This ensures the highest level of security. Finally, return to the crypto.com application or website where you are attempting to log in. You will find a dedicated field for your two-factor authentication code. Paste the 6-digit code you just copied from your Authenticator app into this field. After entering the code, proceed with your login. This final step grants you secure access to your crypto.com account, protecting your investments with robust security measures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.